To perform a first setup and connect your Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active with Android smartphone, first of all, you will need to connect the charger to your charging port like this, and your device should power on. Then you'll be able to pick a language, and in this case, I'm going to go with English. Right after that, you will see a QR code that you can scan to connect it with your smartphone device. But before we do that, we'll need to download MI Fitness app. You can find it on the Google Play Store or any other store that you're using. And also make sure that your Bluetooth is active. Then open the app. Follow instructions on the app on how to log in, allow all of the permissions, and then we'll be able to click on the devices right here. Select Add Device, and your smart band should be already visible. If it's not, then you will need to use a scanner and scan the QR code on the screen with the phone camera. Now let's click on it right here, and then it should connect with our smartphone. We'll see a code which we need to accept on both of the devices. Then we can click on Done, Continue. And there's introduction, you can read through it, but I'm just gonna skip it. Set and customize preferences, and then our device is fully paired with our smartphone.